Rafiki's Planet Watch. It's him! Hi, Rafiki! Good afternoon. Today is October 11th. Britt and I, we have the day off today, so we're gonna head to Animal Kingdom to go and get some lunch, watch the Finding Nemo musical show that happens over there, as well as Festival of Lion King. So it'll be a really exciting and fun day. Here we go. All right, we're walking to the bus. We have our go-go squeezes. We got these at the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. They're like for people who have allergies to chocolate and stuff. They're really good. On our way. We made it to Harambe in Africa. And now we're on our way to get some food at Flame Tree Barbecue. It is pretty hot today, but it'll still be a really good day out. We got food at Herman Market, kids meals, and then we're gonna eat this super fast and rush to our fast pass at Finding Nemo. Okay, we finished our food super fast and we rushed it over to Asia to watch the Finding Nemo show. So it's basically like a little musical. It is very hot, but it's AC in here, so hopefully we'll be able to cool off. But I'm really excited. It's amazing. Ooh, oh wow. This is our first time here. We're very excited. We just finished watching the Finding Nemo musical.
So good!
Oh my god, it was so
cute!
I started crying. It was so awesome. Now it's like raining, so we're hiding under my umbrella. And we're walking to Dinoland because we're gonna try to ride the dinosaur ride. So that's what's happening. The raining has stopped and now we're going to Rafiki's Planet Watch. We can take this train to get there.
Good thing we're going because they're closing soon.
Yeah, they're moving Rafiki, so hopefully we can see him today. Alright, goodbye Harambe. Thank you. This is like the Hogwarts Express, but African version. Oh, there's the safari. Oh my gosh, look at all of these posters. Right, we made it to Conservation Station, Rafiki's Planet Watch. Rafiki's Planet Watch. It's him! Hi, Rafiki! Okay, so Britt has been here before, and I believe it's like a petting zoo. But can you also meet Rafiki?
I'm pretty sure you can, but I don't know if he's like here yet.
Fingers are crossed. Yeah. Goodness, we made it to the petting zoo. I didn't even know that this place existed. Wow, look at this place. There are animals everywhere. All right, let's see if we can find my spirit animal. There she is. Britt loves petting the goats. Oh my god. Oh, cool. Okay, so I believe there are only goats here that people can pet.
No, that's a sheep.
Oh, and sorry, and sheeps.
No, there's like a donkey, I swear.
Okay, just kidding. There are more than just goats.
We're gonna go wash our hands.
So we're gonna go pet some animals, I guess. Oh my god, it's a llama. Like Cusco. Oh, it's a bull. No, a cow. A bull? Oh my gosh, I don't know animals. More goats. Look, he's scratching his head. How resourceful.
It's so plush.
Oh, wow, he's really soft. Aww. Spirit animal, the hippo. Next to a chipmunk. Oh my god, meant to be. We came back from Rafiki's Planet Watch, so it was pretty cool. And now we are going to the Festival of Lion King show. It's our first time watching it, so we're pretty excited. We're in the Lion King.
Best lion invitations. All right, can y'all put your paws up? Let's hear it.
Oh my gosh, so cute.
Turn around with me. We're gonna help our section. You all get the idea. Paws up. And on the count of 3, I want to hear some lions. 1, 2, 3.
Roar!
missions are met.
Oh my god.
Yes, our chief and black missions are met.
Oh my god. It's like dirty dancing. Oh my god. Yeah. Some rewrite the star stuff. Alright, we finished the Animal Kingdom. There's Allie, she picked us up. Britt's in the back eating some Doritos. We watched the Festival of the Lion King show and it was so good. Oh my goodness, they sang so well and the dancing was like superb. Now we're headed to Disney Springs to do some shopping and then we're gonna have dinner tonight at Gyokaku. So pretty excited, pretty pumped.
Treating ourselves
for the
we got
day to
paid.
continue. Yeah, today we got paid. So it's treat yourself a Thursday. Gyokaku is Allie's first time. We just ordered a bunch of food. So super excited for what to come. Food. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. I've already started eating the tofu and it's so delicious. Reactions? Look at my spicy tofu tofu, and we got all of our good food. Poke nachos, poke, I've missed you so. And we just grilling. Oh my gosh, exciting. So I'll see you one later.